Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tell you about the building of a new building or headquarters for the Jamaica Olympic Association. Now, as you know, Jamaica is a powerhouse in the Olympics, especially track and field. So the government is going to be spending millions to build a new facility to house the Jamaica Olympic Association. It will also have a sports museum, and it's going to be a state-of-the-art multifunctional complex that includes a wellness hub, physiotherapy center, commercial restaurant, sports apparel store, conference facilities, and a dedicated museum. So this is definitely a good move for Jamaica. And Jamaica is also going to be rebuilding the national stadium in Kingston. So a lot is going on for sports in Jamaica. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the new building or the new facility for the Jamaica Olympic Association. The Jamaica Olympic Association, JOA, long headquartered at 9 Cunningham Avenue in Kingston 6, is embarking on a bold transformation that will reshape the landscape of Jamaican sport. The planned construction of the Olympic Manor, a visionary two-phase multi-dollar development, represents more than a structural upgrade. It marks a strategic and cultural shift in how sport is perceived, practiced, and sustained in Jamaica. For decades, the JOA operated from a traditional space suited to administrative needs. For decades, the JOA operated from a traditional space suited to administrative needs. However, the evolving demands of modern sport, particularly the holistic development of athletes, require more than offices and meeting rooms. The Olympic Manor will answer that call with a state-of-the-art multifunctional complex that includes a wellness hub, physiotherapy center, commercial restaurant, sports apparel store, conference facilities, and a dedicated museum. This facility is not just about providing services, it embodies a fresh vision for sport in Jamaica, one that integrates performance, well-being, education, commerce, and heritage under one roof. It shifts the focus from basic sport administration to a dynamic, athlete-centered ecosystem that supports every aspect of a sports professional's journey. At the heart of the Olympic Manor lies the athlete. The inclusion of a wellness hub and physiotherapy facility reflects a modern understanding of the athlete's life cycle, from injury prevention to rehabilitation and mental wellness. These offerings will significantly enhance the level of care available to Jamaican athletes, improving their competitiveness on the world stage. But this project is also about sustainability. By integrating commercial ventures such as a restaurant and retail store, the Olympic Manor becomes an earning asset, turning the headquarters of the JOA into a financial contributor to its own programs. The income generated will be reinvested to benefit athletes, coaches, and stakeholders, extending the reach of the JOA's initiatives. This strategy reflects the JOA's continued push to provide sport as both a cultural pillar and a valuable industry. One of the most unique components of the Olympic Manor will be its museum, dedicated to preserving and celebrating Jamaica's rich sporting heritage. This cultural addition transforms the space into more than just a training or administrative hub. It becomes a national monument to sporting achievement. Visitors will be able to relive the stories of icons such as Usain Bolt, Shelley and Fraser Price, and Herb McKinley, reinforcing national pride and educating future generations. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.